Welcome to Villara's Delivery Department Introduction video. As you see here, our delivery drivers arrive fairly early in the morning. First thing they do is get a brief from their supervisor, as in, what's going on today? Has there been any changes to routes, the teams, temperature, things of that nature? Then it's out to your trucks. Once you arrive at your truck, check your load and your paperwork. Ensure that they both match up. Then do a safety walk around of your vehicle, making sure that there's no leaks and the tire pressure looks correct. If you have time, check under the hood, ensuring that the oil and the lubricants are at the correct level. Then it's to the first site. Once you arrive, you and your co-driver need to look around and find a safe spot to park so that way you're out of the traffic of any other trades. If you need assistance backing up, again, that's where your co-driver is there for to assist. Once you arrive, check out your load. Hopefully, it arrives like this. In some cases, things will move around during the drive out to the job site, so you will have to ensure those are put back neatly. Once done so, then you can start moving those materials into the job site. As you see here, there's different methods to carry the tri-fat bags in. As you notice them moving throughout the house, single story and two story have specific locations where the tri-fat bags need to be left. This is the proper way to lift a furnace off the truck. As you can see, arms are fully extended and the weight of the furnace is sitting on the top of his shoulders, not on the back or on the arm. This time lapse shows you getting the material from the ground up into the attic, utilizing the attic crawl space. Now there's multiple ways you can do this, with using a winch or using rope. The method he is using is a rope method. Each team decides what they want to use depending on the size of the attic crawl space as well as the house. Once all the material is up on the attic platform, the team member up in the attic then takes pictures to ensure that the delivery was done correctly. After that, it's cleanup. We always ensure that we clean up our mess before we head out to the next job. There is technically no specific order in which the material needs to come off the truck. Normally, it goes on how it's arranged in the truck or what the crew would like to do. As you can see here, they're starting off with the tri-fat bags again. As I stated earlier, each location, single story or two story, has specific spots that these tri-fat bags go. This one being a two story, they go upstairs in one of the bedrooms. As you see here, we have another furnace. Utilizing the same carrying technique, majority of the weight is on his shoulders to alleviate that arm strength as well as that back. As he moves upstairs, he needs to find where the entrance to the attic is. Now notice how he sets this item down, utilizing the frame of the house to slide down his back, ensuring that he does not damage the material. As he gets it set, he needs to move the material in front of the attic. Here's another time lapse of them utilizing the rope method. Again, there is the winch method and the rope method, but this team prefers to use the rope method. Now, there will be some cases where you cannot get the materials up through that hole for the attic, so you will have to utilize the other sides. Now, whatever side will work best, whatever side has the most space. As you can see right here, they have to bring this plenum up through the side of the attic platform. Once all the material has been delivered to each job site, then it's back to the plant to have your vehicle loaded up for the next day. Thank you for watching Villara's Delivery Department's Introduction to Driving.